I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thor's ultimate in Marvel Rivals. Thor's ultimate ability, God of Thunder, is a powerful area of effect attack. When activated, Thor soars upwards, creating an 8-meter radius lightning storm. During the 1.5-second charge, enemies within the area take 40 damage every half-second. The ultimate culminates in a devastating slam, dealing 220 damage, and briefly stunning all affected enemies for 1 second. To maximize the God of Thunder, timing and positioning are crucial. Aim to activate it when multiple enemies are clustered within its 8-meter radius. Utilize the 1.5-second charge time to precisely steer Thor and adjust elevation, ensuring maximum enemy heroes are caught. Remember, Thor gains the unstoppable buff during this charge, making him immune to crowd control and guaranteeing the ultimate's full execution. Thor's God of Thunder excels when combined with allied abilities. The 1-second stun after the slam provides a critical window for teammates, such as Doctor Strange, to unleash their high-damage abilities. Coordinate with your team to capitalize on this crowd control. After the ultimate, immediately follow up with Thor's Hammer Throw and Mjolnir Bash to maximize your burst damage and secure eliminations against weakened opponents. While powerful, Thor's ultimate can be countered. When you see Thor ascend and begin charging God of Thunder, immediately disengage from the 8-meter radius. Use movement abilities or defensive skills like shields to escape the area of effect before the final slam. Being aware of the 1.5-second charge time allows you to react effectively and minimize incoming damage or avoid the 1-second stun entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.